Hey guys, this is Kyle Urban AceVacuums. Today we are at 11110 Lee Highway in Fairfax, Virginia. Today I'm just going to be answering a couple of questions about the Miele HomeCare line. Right, here we go. Let's get into it. So I'm guessing you guys are wondering what is Miele, right? So let's talk about it. Miele HomeCare line is a special line of vacuums made by Miele that's sold only in stores by authorized retailers. So the second frequently asked question is, how does a Miele HomeCare best benefit you? So how that best benefits you, it comes with a 5-year warranty, and it also comes with 2 tools. Let me show you the tools. One being a crevice tool that is super flexible, and also a dusting brush that has a rotating head, so you can get in all the access spots that you normally couldn't with the normal dusting brush. See that right there? Third asked question is, why shop local for a Miele? Shopping local also helps grow the economy, and you also get one-on-one help and demonstrations from a certified expert. So that's going to wrap it up for us today. I hope I have answered all questions and concerns asked on our social media platforms. If any more questions and concerns, feel free to reach out to us at 703-997-9292 or visit our website at acevacuums.com. Thank you and have a good day, guys.